Meaning of George Fox.
George Fox.
George Fox.
George Fox.
George Fox. George Fox was an English religious leader who founded the Quaker movement in the 17th century. He was known for his strong and unwavering belief in direct communion with God, which led to his rejection of many mainstream religious practices and institutions of his time. Fox's teachings emphasized the importance of personal spiritual experience and the equality of all individuals in the eyes of God. His legacy continues to influence Quaker beliefs and practices today, and he is remembered as a key figure in the history of Christianity and religious dissent.